So what am I doing leaning up against the tree? Well, you might well ask. I've come off the main trail onto a little side one, just for a brief pit stop to go to the toilet, in other words. It's rocky here. I have just twisted my ankle. I'm waiting for an ambulance. Yep, you heard me right. I've got an ankle bandage or a stretchy bandage with me, but this is beyond that. Oh, in a word, I've only ever done this to myself once before, and that was 30 years ago, 30 years ago, when I lived in London. I ran down the stairs in the subway or tube station and went over, and it didn't hurt as badly as this does. So I think I'm beyond caring for it myself. Guess I'm not going to finish this part of the journey just yet. It is what it is. We'll make mistakes, right? This was a good one. You know the old saying, if you're going to do something, do it properly? Well, I did. So all of that yesterday basically meant I have not just sprained my ankle, I've broken it. I've now got a plate in it and 8 screws holding everything together. So I'm off the Jakobsweg for a few months, unfortunately. Excuse me, I've also got hiccups at the moment, really annoying. Anyway, I'm now bedridden, or at least on crutches, for a minimum of the next 6 weeks. Not allowed to go walking at all. Foot is not allowed to touch the ground. And then after that, it'll be physio, so on. I am so looking forward to it. Nothing much to see. Just a nice pretty colour from all the iodine and stuff that they dress you with. And a rather large plaster hiding all the stitches. 'Tis what it is.